Today we're going to be making a healthy batch of chocolate crackles. So this is a great recipe that you can make with the kids at home and get them involved in the kitchen. So all you're going to need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, a cup of shredded coconut, about half a cup of melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2.5 cups of puffed brown rice, and about 50 to 100 grams of melted dark chocolate. So all we need to do is add all of these ingredients into a mixing bowl, mix until well combined, and then we're going to spoon it into our patty pans. And then we're going to allow that to set in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes.